A lot of guys think that in order to get bigger triceps, well, first of all, if they're trying to get big arms in general, they usually just focus on their biceps, but they neglect triceps. And when they do hit triceps, what they do is they'll go over a machine like this, which is a tricep pull down machine. You use these attachments, and they'll do something like this for however many sets that they want. Can you see my tricep? So this is good, it works with tricep initially, but after a while, after doing many sets of this, when the muscle gets fatigued, you start to rely on your deltoids, especially the back deltoids. You can feel it when you get higher up in the sets that you're working on. So you're no longer activating triceps only. And we're trying to work on getting a bigger tricep. So, very simple. If you want bigger triceps, you actually don't need a gym at all. And you do this in your room, garage, the park. You just need yourself. Very simple. Put your hands together like this. You've probably seen this before. This is a diamond push-up. So you get your hands just like this. Make sure you can see my triceps. So get on the side. You can see the diamond. All right. And I'm just over the diamond with my chest. When I do, just go all the way down, up, one. This isolates your triceps. So I'm pushing solely with my triceps. And as I push down, that's where my mind is. I want to feel my triceps working. That's the mind-muscle connection. You want to do at least 100 of these a day. Or if you can't do it every day, 6 days a week, but you want to do 100 of them when you go to the gym. I've already worked out a little bit, so I can't do all of them right now, and I'm talking to you explaining this, but that's what you want to do. You want to knock them down. I'll throw in a video showing you that I actually can do these in a row, and I can do 20 in a row. I usually do 5 sets of 20 of these. That's a warm up for a tricep workout. If you have access to a gym, what you can do, another tricep isolating exercise is that you'll take a reasonably heavy weight. For this example, I have 35 pounds. Lay back on the bench. Put your hands underneath the weight like this. And drop the weight just above your forehead. Fully extend up. Fully extend up. Drop it down. Fully extend up. Should be contracting your triceps. See how I'm squeezing it? Really focusing on that mind-muscle connection of the tricep. Okay? So you want to do these tricep isolated exercises where even after fatigue, it's still your tricep that's being worked. This right here, it's great, but if you want to really feel sore the next day, feel the most contractions in your tricep, see the most development and the most growth, and not actually have a plateau, which I had a plateau when I was just doing tricep pull downs all the time, whether it's this extension or that one. When you use your natural body weight and the diamond push-up form, I'm telling you, this right here develops triceps the most. All right? If you want to see more content like this, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.